This 2025 Coachmen Brookstone 318 RLL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 42 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, patio deck, rear entertainment, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Brookstone 318 RLL is 13,153 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.